English condensed version asterisk. Hey, wait a second, don't scroll away. I know your mind might be racing. Like you've opened 100 tabs and can't shut them off. But what if I told you? You only need 10 minutes to hit pause. No need to fix anything or force change. Just breathe, reset, and come back to yourself. This video is a 10-minute reset meditation to help you release stress, clear mental clutter, and reconnect with your inner calm. You don't need to be spiritual, just be here with me. Before we begin, a gentle question. If you could let go of just one thing right now, what would it be? Feel free to share it in the comments. Writing it down might be your first step to release. Ready? Let's begin. Alright, let's get started by finding a comfortable spot. Sit down or lie back, whatever feels most relaxing to you right now. Close your eyes gently, if you feel safe doing so. Now, bring your full attention to your body. Feel the points where you connect with the surface beneath you, your feet on the floor, your back on the chair or bed. Imagine roots growing from those points, grounding you deep into the earth, steady and strong. Take a deep, slow breath in. Hold it for just a moment. And exhale fully, letting your body soften and relax more with each breath. Right here, right now, you are safe. You are present. Now, gently scan your body for any areas where you might be holding tension. Maybe it's your shoulders, tight like they're carrying a heavy load. Or your jaw, clenched without you even noticing. Perhaps your chest feels tight, like you're holding in too much. With every breath out, imagine those areas softening. Picture the tension melting away like warm sunlight dissolving frost. You don't have to force it, just invite your body to let go. Feel the release ripple through you, like a wave washing over and calming every muscle. Notice how your body feels lighter, freer with each exhale. Now let's turn our attention inward, to your mind. Picture a still lake, its surface smooth, calm. Occasionally, thoughts will ripple across like a gentle breeze. Don't try to stop them or follow them. Just watch them float by, like leaves drifting on the water. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently guide it back to the stillness beneath the ripples. Know that underneath all the noise, your mind holds a place of quiet peace, always available whenever you choose to return. Rest here for a moment, soaking in this calm awareness. Now, let's plant some positive seeds inside your heart. Quietly say to yourself, I am safe. I am strong. I am enough. Feel the truth of those words as they echo inside you. You don't have to push or prove anything right now. You are already whole and worthy exactly as you are. Let these affirmations wrap around you like a warm hug, grounding you in confidence and self-love. Breathe in strength, breathe out any doubt. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the world around you. Feel your fingers and toes wiggle gently. Take a deep breath in, and when you're ready, open your eyes softly. You've just gifted yourself a moment of calm, clarity, and balance. Remember, this reset is always available to you. Anytime you need it, just come back here. Carry this calm strength with you as you move through the rest of your day. You've got this. Thank you for taking these few minutes to reset with me. Remember, life's demands can feel overwhelming, but you always have the power to pause and breathe. This simple reset isn't just a break, it's a reminder that your well-being matters. Whenever you feel overloaded or lost, come back to this space, this calm, this moment of stillness. You are stronger than your stress, and more peaceful than your worries. Keep this calm with you, and take one small step forward every day. If this video helped you even a little, please give it a like and subscribe, so we can keep supporting each other on this journey. You're not alone, and you've got this.